Hello friends, so today we are going to fold a seagull. We're going to use the white side of this paper mostly. So first step is going to do a diagonal fold like this. Then we're going to open this up. And do it on the other side. I'm just gonna flip this over and do it where the colored one is showing up. Yeah, so just crease that. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is, I think this is a fish base kind of, but we're gonna bring this side into the middle. So this side, middle. So just hold it like that. Then hopefully we do this right. And then crease. Then repeat on this side. Bring it to the middle. Crease. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring this together, and then this in the middle should naturally fold because we have a crease in here, and then we're just gonna fold that down into either side. It doesn't matter which side for now, but once you're done it should look like this. So I'm gonna show you that. Okay, so flatten that up and then bring that down like this. We're gonna do the same thing on this side, but we're gonna do that using the colored side. So this side I'm gonna bring in the middle. Crease. Open it up. Same thing up top. Crease. Just fix that a bit. Okay, and then bring it together like this. Just find that initial crease that we did, and then bring it on the side. So the first thing we're going to build is the tail. So using the colored side in here, this side, we're just going to bring that into the middle. So by folding it like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Crease. Okay, so once that's done, we're going to open it up again, then we're going to open it up here, right, and then we're going to do this. So using the creases that we did, we're going to collapse it to look like this. So just flatten that up. And then we're gonna shape the tail. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold it here and here, and then this one we're gonna do a reverse fold. But all of these are gonna be reverse folds, I think. But just I'm just gonna show you how that's done. So you can eyeball this part, but the important thing is that we are just gonna make our tail thinner. So something like this. So it should look like this if you folded that right. And then we're just gonna do that exact same fold on the other side in here. You can just gauge it and eyeball it, and then crease. Okay, so once you're done with that one, we're just gonna fold it like on the other side, like a reverse fold, but it's just easier to crease it when you do it like that. So this one, open up and then just move it back, fold it backwards. You have your crease, so you should be okay. Okay, so this should look like this by now. If you did that right. And then we're just gonna fold this guy like a simple reverse fold, so that, and you can also just eyeball that one so that it looks like this. Okay, so we're gonna leave this part for now. Then I'm gonna flip it, and we're on the white side, so we're gonna repeat the same thing, this side into the middle. So crease. And then we're gonna do the same thing, open it up, then collapse, so it should look like this. Flatten that up. Okay, now this side we're gonna bring into the middle. I'm gonna bring this up later, but I'm just gonna show you how that's done. Crease, so it should look like this. And same thing on the other side. So both sides, it should look like this now. But what we're gonna do is we are gonna open this up. So we're gonna make like a half a bird face in this part. So yeah, with the creases that we made, just fold that inside like this. It's gonna look like a petal, but our aim is to do it like this. Okay, so if you did that right, it should look like this. Okay, so the next step is, so we have this. What we're gonna do is we are gonna put this part inside this one. So we're just gonna tuck it in. So I'm gonna show you, like, open this up and then just slowly put the other side in. And just re-establish this crease, but it should look like this, right? So put that in. And bring this back down. So it should look like this. So So once you have this, there's only a few things we need to do now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip this over, and then we're gonna fold this corner. We're gonna bring almost up to the end of this one. So you can just gauge this, but you can actually put it in here at the end, but you can adjust it however you see fit. I just like putting it like almost, and then you just flatten that. This is going to be a bit thick now, that's okay. So once you flatten this, you're going to have something like this. Just, yeah, so you can see that these are the wings. Okay, so what we're gonna do, this part, we're gonna make the beak. So just fold that part like this. So you can, again, you can eyeball this part, fold it like that, and then bring that back up so that you're gonna have your beak, right? So it should look like this. Okay, so next step is we're just gonna fold this in half. So I'm gonna put it down again and then just fold that up in half. And then your beak is right here. And then fold it like this. Okay, so now we're gonna fold this down just so we can like shape the wings, and then we're gonna repeat on the other side. So you should look like this now. Then there's another fold that you can do on this part, right? So just fold that down. Like you can do the angle of whatever you want on this one, but if you fold that, our albatross should look like this. And we're done. So yeah, this is a really cool fold because the wingspan is like super cool. And then the tail is kind of cool as well because it just shows up a bit of the color, and it looks nice as well if it's reversed like this. Okay, that's our fold for today, and our little trivia is that albatross, it can actually drink salt water, and then they can desalinate that because they have like a gland something below their eyes to eject the salt. So that's why they can stay up for long out there in the ocean. Anyway, that's our fold for today. I hope you make a ton of them, and happy folding.